this is Nat and welcome to another MAT video. Today we are now going to do question 5 of 2014. Now this is interesting. This time we're now doing rhyme schemes, which is kind of interesting to me because as you might know, I'm a composer and this is like composing with words, and rhyme schemes are basically just like musical phrases, but like how these musical phrases repeat basically. So there are 5 different rhyming schemes composed of 3 lines. List them. So AAA, AAB, ABA, but however we can put ABC, but we haven't considered ABB. So we have ABC. Got that. And now we have a new notation. Let C and K be the number of different rhyme scheme components with n lines that use exactly k different letters. What is Cn1 for n is greater than or equal to 1? So this means that we're only using one letter, so it's A. So this means that there's only one of them. N, C and N is A, B, C, X, Y, Z, say. Let's say this poem has 26 lines, so there's only one of them, so we'll have 1, and we have 1. Oh, and don't forget I have written, suppose write 5 here. Suppose that 1kn, by considering the final letter on a rhyming scheme, explain why this. Well, this has a very surprising answer. So this means this portion tells us, okay, let's just chunk the equation here and let's zoom in a bit to see the equation properly. So this bit basically tells us that, okay, let's draw an arrow, very bad arrow I'd say. So this bit, wait, forget the arrow. So this bit is trying to tell us that the first, let's write this down. First bit is telling us that so the first bit, forget it. Forget typing, let's try a new method. So this means that we have n-1 letters and we have k symbols if we have used all k symbols at the start, and there are now k ways of choosing the last letter. So this is the bit. But don't forget, we can also use a new symbol at the end, and that's where this bit comes in. Cn-1, k-1. This also means that if we only use k-1 symbols, this means we have a chance to use the last symbol at the end, and therefore we can explain our formula. Now let's zoom out and let's talk about the next portion of the question. Write down the equation showing how to calculate Rn in terms of the C and K. Well, this is actually very easy if you ask me, because Rn equals to the sum from k equals to 1 to n, because you can use 1 to n different letters. So this means it's C n k. And using this recursive formula, we can write down a table of C and k. So this means we will have n here and we have k here. So this means we have 1, 2, 3, 4. At n we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So this one has 1, 1, 1, 1. Boy, this is complicated. 1, 1, 1. We have already calculated this is 3, and using the recursive formula, we can say that this is 7 and this is 6. Great. So this means R4 is 1 plus 7 plus 6 plus 1. So that means R4 equals to 15. That was quick. The formula was Cn2 in terms of n. As you can see, it is 2 to the power of n-1. Why? It's because we have a symbol A, and then you will have 2 choices for each of the n-1 letters. So this means, so it's 1 times 2 to the power of n-1, which is just 2 to the power of n-1. this video was really quick, so I might introduce you. So if anybody watches this video and you happen to have a way with words, you could challenge yourself and use these rhyme schemes to create a poem, because why not? And this poem will be very special. It will use all the rhyming schemes of 4 lines in a row. So let's call it the shockimal because it has 4 times 15 lines is 60, and 60 is shock in my codename system. So it'll be AAA, AAB, ABA, ABAA, ABAB, no, AABB, ABAB, ABBB, and then we have AAA, AABC, ABAC, ABCA, ABCB. So the third letter can have A, B, or C, and the fourth letter can be D. So ABAC, ABCA, ABCB, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is getting tedious. So got this, ABBC, got this. So we have ABCD, then yep, ABCD. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did I miss out anything? Let me check. AABC, ABAC, ABCA. Oh yes, I forgot. ABCC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I tend to miss out things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18! So we got all 15 rhyming schemes. Now I might compose a shockimal later and I might edit the video, or maybe not. So why don't you let your efforts run wild and your poetic self run wild, and using this MAT we can create a poem with this rhyming scheme. Okay, thanks. See you. Bye.